Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center. We're making the best double espresso to start our morning, thanks to the Bosch coffee maker. Let's talk about it. All right, we have our clean glass. We're ready to roll. We're gonna use the jog dial. We're gonna go right past coffee, past everything. We're gonna get the espresso right now. So we need the shot of shots. So our heat's on high, our brew strength is strong. We're gonna go 2 ounces. We're gonna go jump the quantity all the way up so we're full. And we're gonna hit start. The machine's gonna grind it, that's what we hear. Now it's gonna tamper it, and then we're gonna extract the espresso, and I want you to see how fantastic it is. Look at that. See the crema right there? That's all the oil from the beans. That's everything you guys miss in pour over coffee. Now it'll start to separate the oil from the bean and you'll get that rich layers. Look at all those different layers. That's the crema, the bean oil. Now it's gonna thin out and clear out. Look how outstanding that is. That is coffee at its finest. Thank you, Bosch, starting our morning. I hope you guys enjoy yours and I hope you guys, get a Bosch coffee maker. I don't know, try it out.